Today, we're going to build a Vulture Droid using 9 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
The first thing we're going to do is grab this 2x2 plate with wheel holders, and on the top we're going to get a 2x2 jumper plate and put that 2x2 jumper plate right there on top like this, so you got the stud in the center. Next we grab a 1x2 plate, and you're going to put it so that the bottom part that's underneath that front stud goes on top of that jumper plate and goes to the back. Now, the Lego Advent Calendar had it go forward, but I think this is a better representation of the Vulture Droid, having it go back in the back, kind of smoother up here and then pointed in the back. Now, on top of that 1x2 plate, we're going to grab these cheese wedge slopes, these 1x1 slope pieces, and you're going to put it so it kind of makes a triangle. So you're going to put it so the first slope goes on the front stud and it slopes down, and then we put it on the back stud of that 1x2 plate so it slopes to the back. And here you've got kind of that diamond cockpit, and since it's a Vulture Droid, this is the brain. It's not a cockpit, it's a droid brain. Now on the sides here, what we're going to do is we're going to get a 1x1 plate with a clip on the side here. You're going to put it so that clip goes to where that wheel would go on the side and is going backwards. This is going towards the back of our Vulture Droid. The next thing you do is grab one of these 1x4 slopes with no studs. You can put it so that the back stud is going to go on that plate, on the stud and the plate clip there. Put it on, you've got the wing of your Vulture Droid. You do that to both sides. I've already got that clip and slope pre-connected because you don't have to do it, in any order, just whatever is more comfortable and faster for you. But here we have a completed Vulture Droid.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and you can click on the image to watch another video. Until next time, let's keep building together.